So here is the outdoor unit again, so it's still frozen, so I need to take out the cover from the unit so it will enable me to access the pipe. So I have to take out the screw that you're seeing here so that it will enable me to access the line. So guys, I come across this. So in this kind of situation like this, as you can see, the charge line is actually freezing and the suction line is freezing. It's clocking with so much block on the line. So in this situation, what I need to do now is, because